The Honda Pilot is a fan favorite of the automotive press, one of my favorite automotive publications for the 2017 model year. In their overview of the Pilot, they have a CD rating 1 out of 10, 10 out of 10 being the best. The Pilot gets a 10 out of 10. Hi, this is Joe from Scarff Ford. Today we're going to talk about this 2017 Pilot Elite. We recently took it on trade. This has a little over 89,000 miles. Great shape inside and out. Honda Pilots have an amazing reputation for reliability, durability, amazing build quality, excellent resale value, and amazing driving dynamics. I've seen plenty of examples of these things with 200, 300 plus thousand miles, still running strong. Honda just makes fantastic vehicles. They have the CR-V, the HR-V, but the Honda Pilot's the biggest vehicle that they make, with 3 rows of seating. It's a mid-size crossover SUV. And with the Elite package, which this one is, it's a range-topping trim level, the most opulent, the most luxurious. It's almost like a budget Acura. In fact, this shares its platform with a very luxurious Acura MDX, a vehicle I like very much. We have a moonroof back here. We have an infotainment system, rear climate control, second row heated seats, second row captain's chairs, very comfortable, very, very nice. Integrated sunshades, perfect size for a growing family. And 2017 is a great year for the Pilot because in 2016 it got a complete redesign, all new end-to-end, sleeker, looking better than ever. Fantastic vehicles indeed. One engine is available in the Pilot, and that's really the only engine you need. It's a 3.5 liter V6, the workhorse engine for Honda products. You can find this in a lot of Honda products like the Honda Odyssey, and we can find it in a lot of Acura products as well. It makes, I think, if I recollect, about 280 horsepower. Plenty of get up and go, very nice to drive. Even though it's a big crossover SUV, when you get behind the wheel and get this thing moving, it really is a joy to drive. It's very, very nice and a great alternative over a minivan with nearly the same amount of space and functionality. We have a 6-speed automatic transmission, really easy to use. You have these push buttons to access different gears. The lower trim levels of the Acura, the lower trim levels of the Honda Pilot have a 6-speed automatic transmission, but the range-topping Elite, it upgrades you to a 9-speed automatic transmission, improving your performance and your efficiency. These get around 26, 27 miles per gallon on the highway. That is fantastic. We have heated and ventilated front seats, great navigation system. Of course, we have a rear parking camera. We have a steering wheel paddle shifters, heated steering wheel, lots of driver's assistance, adaptive cruise control, steering assist. We have a moonroof up here as well. Well, thank you for joining me on this walk around of this 2017 Honda Pilot Elite. If you're looking for a mid-size crossover with 3rd row seating and luxury car comfort, the Pilot Elite is a great one to consider. And if you don't need all the opulence, all that bling, pretty much any Pilot, more the entry-level affordable ones are awesome choices as well. We're Scarff Ford. We've been in business 103 years, probably serving the greater Seattle-Tacoma area. We're located in Auburn, Washington. We sell new Fords, new Isuzus, and a very wide variety, as you can see, of pre-owned vehicles like this lovely Honda Pilot we recently took on trade. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.